Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're going to talk about the best 7th generation dish soap liquid that's making waves in the world of dishwashing. If you're looking for an effective, eco-friendly solution for cleaning your dishes while being gentle on your skin, you've come to the right place. This is 7th generation's free and clear dish liquid soap, and we're diving into all its features to see what makes it stand out. This dish soap is plant-based, formulated to cut through grease and stubborn food residue, leaving your dishes sparkling clean without the use of harsh chemicals. The formula is tough on grease but gentle enough for those with sensitive skin. It's fragrance-free, making it a great option for anyone who prefers a more natural cleaning product without any added scents. 7th generation dish liquid soap is also hypoallergenic, dermatologically tested, and free from dyes, artificial fragrances, phosphates, and triclosan. It's made with plant-based ingredients, which means you're getting a powerful clean with a more sustainable footprint. In fact, the bottle is made from 100% recycled materials, which shows the brand's commitment to both your health and the health of the environment. For those concerned about safety, this dish soap is also an EPA Safer Choice certified product and a USDA certified bio-based product with 95% of its ingredients being plant-derived. This certification ensures that the ingredients used are safe for both human health and the planet. It's great for households that value sustainability and want a product that is both effective and environmentally responsible. The formula is designed to work well even in cold water, and the bottle size is ideal for regular use, with a 19-ounce size available in a pack of 6. This should last you a while, saving you trips to the store and providing you with a long-lasting dish soap that you can feel good about using every day. If you're someone who has sensitive skin or wants a fragrance-free option for dishwashing, this product checks all the boxes. And it's perfect for those who want to take small steps toward a greener lifestyle by choosing products with eco-conscious ingredients and packaging. 7th generation truly offers a reliable dish soap that balances cleaning power with environmental responsibility. In conclusion, the 7th generation free and clear dish liquid soap is an excellent choice if you want a plant-based, hypoallergenic dish soap that does its job well and is easy on both your skin and the planet. For anyone searching for a reliable, eco-friendly cleaning option, this product is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.